97. I'll let you guys hear when we get done.
2019 Nissan Titan. This is what we just put on it. We'll let you guys hear it before. And this is the exhaust system we put on it. Is a STILLEN cab back exhaust system. Part number 509560. We will show you a link if we have it in the description. Factory converters there and there. There and there. Then it comes bolt on from here. Right there it starts on each side. Crosses over. We always tack the pipe. So it's a stainless steel system. All the way back. There's the muffler. It's a dual in, single out. Then it comes with a 3-inch tailpipe out the back into 4-inch black roll tip out the back right there. There's the whole system right there. And this is what was on it before. Dual into the muffler, tailpipe out the back, and a baby resonator.
That's awesome.
Wow. That's different. Sound decibels again? Wow. Like rev like that. Wow. Different tone to it. Again? It's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. I wonder if it gets a little bit louder when it breaks in, because it is made out of fiberglass inside, so the packing should get a little bit louder. Wow, that's good. It's not bad. It's a good looking truck too, guys. Look at that. STILLEN system. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan with a STILLEN system. And from what he was doing research on it, guys, it's supposed to gain 30 to 40 horsepower just from this system. So, I don't know. Do you guys' research. He's going to let us know in a couple of weeks